All right, everybody, I got this today. Allen tru-charge. It will do, you can do batteries in series, like up to 36 cells. As you know, as many different cells as you want. 10 amps. Tru-charge 1609. I have no idea about this. I can't find it online. I don't know anything about it. It's kind of a one-of-a-kind thing. Let's flip this over here. There's the plate. So I'm wondering if I can get, if that company's still around, this Allen Electric and Equipment. If they're still around, maybe I can give them the serial number and it'll tell me when it was made. But anyways, I'm gonna open this thing up and blow it out. Whew. Oh, it's better. Spider webs. Those old fuses. .25 amp. I can't really see what that one is. 30 amp. Pretty cool. It's heavy too, so I'm assuming that if it doesn't work, I'm gonna get some good copper out of it. I picked that up for 30 bucks. So I think that was a pretty good deal. Very happy about this. I really hope this works. This will charge, like if I have that, if I get that go-kart going, this can charge the go-kart. And I was gonna spend a bunch of money buying a fancy battery charger that would charge the go-kart. Well, this will do it. Anyhow, yeah, well, stay tuned and I'll see if it works. Okay, so this is it. This is the test. I got the battery charger home, got it all set up on its test stand. I'll flip her around here. And so this is it. So it came with this stand. It's a pretty cool stand. Just gotta make sure the cables don't get in it. Now, one thing that's going to have to be changed is the cables going to it. Because, yeah, I mean, I'm going to tape that up. But, yeah, then we're going to give her a test. Yeah, so but the whole thing's cracked. Like, I'm going to tape this up for right now, but I'm going to have to replace these. I should probably replace these two, or I'll just take them apart and see if I can buff them up. But anyways, let's get this thing taped up and plugged in. Okay, so I have kept the top off after cleaning it out. I just figure that if I'm going to plug it in, I might as well see if something starts sparking. So here we go. Well, it's plugged in. Power's on. You can kind of hear a hum. I don't need that on. So these are off. All right, I'm going to grab a battery and... Okay, so I've got the battery hooked up. I've got this all to what it says here. Power switch off. Set charge rate controls to position number 1. Set battery cell switch to 1 to 18 low. Yeah, so that's what we wanted on. Turn power switch to on position and set charge rate controls to desired charging rate up to 10 amperes. So that's on 1 to 18. That's off. 1, 1. All right, let's give it a try here. Oh, it's very faint, but I can hear electricity. So let's go 1. Oh. Or sorry, that's 2. It doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, that did something. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, there was like crackling going on in there. I should have been looking in. Oh, but there, now it's charging. I don't know if you can hear that on the camera or not, but so that's a 2. Nope. Oh, oh wait. So I'm guessing the switches. Yeah, I'm guessing that I'm gonna have to take these switches out maybe and clean them, or maybe they'll clean themselves with use. But well, either way, I'm happy that it works. Well, like, I mean, shows promise of working. I will. I'll maybe get Wally to have a look at it. He's like our local electronics wizard. He's gonna look at that motor too from the go-kart. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I'm pretty happy with that. That whole thing was $30. Like, I don't even know, just that stand's worth more than $30. And I still can't find anything about that charger. So if anybody knows anything about them or has ever seen one, or you know somebody who's really smart about old battery chargers, let me know. I I can use any help I can get. Okay, thanks very much, everybody. I really appreciate you watching, and take care. Bye bye.